Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 3 and your today's topic is mushroom on the grass without color. So everyone look at the board and draw mushroom on the grass without color. First draw a big mushroom like this. Give this line very carefully and give here the bubble like this. Okay, as I mentioned the on the grass, so you must give the grass. Okay, so give the grass like this. This one is very easy. Okay, for better composition you will use another 2 mushroom. Okay, again give the grass and draw again another mushroom in the same way as you know. Okay, and give the grass. Okay, so this one is the mushroom on the grass without color. So girls, this one is your HW also. Remember this. If you imagine that is your copy, look at this. This one is your copy. So you must use your copy like this. Okay, that means not you margin. Okay, so dear student, practice more. And practice makes you perfect. Without practice, you never ever get perfection at your drawing. So my dear student, this one is your HW also. Look at the HW number 1. A lot of students sent HW for the before classes. That was not your HW. So everyone please watch the class very carefully for your HW. No more to it. Thank you.